Good morning, children. This is Emre Ramjan Bhai. Today I am going to teach a 10th class English grammar, that it is related to the 4th unit grammar. You children, you take your notebook and a pen and just copy them. And 4th unit textbook, if you open the 4th unit textbook and then it is given grammar part given there after what do you call it, B lesson. After B lesson, grammar part is given to you. In your textbook you can check them. Models are given to you. Models. You open your textbook and you can also see them, or otherwise you can listen to me. Models, one dialogue conversation given to you, a conversation between two artists is given to you, and then after what are models, and that models function given to you. Model, these are called models. And before going to these models, you must have known, I think that you know it well, auxiliaries. Auxiliaries, what are the auxiliaries? I think you know. Auxiliaries are nothing but the be forms, do forms, have forms, and models. Be forms, what do you call it? Do forms, have forms, and models. All these are called auxiliaries. All these are called auxiliaries. So here in this topic, just you must know that be forms. What are the be forms? Be forms are nothing but am, is, are, and their past forms are was, were, being, be, been. All these are be forms. Do forms, what are they? Do, does, and past form did, past participle done, doing also it is a do form. Do, doing, did, and does, done. These are do forms. And later have forms. What are the have forms? Have and has, both are same in present form only. Their past form is had, and another word is having. Having also have form only. And models, when you come to models, these are models. Shall and should, can, could, will, and would, what do you call it, may, might, must. These are models. And these models generally we take before this any subject comes before these models. There is no particular rule, rules also, that any subject will come before these models. And for some instruction given to models, take any subject before them, and there is no subject and verb agreement. There is no subject and verb agreement for these models. Any subject can be used before these models. Now their function also given to you in your textbook, children, was given to you. I have written on the board. You can watch this here. Shall, it is obligation, offer, order, and suggestion purpose we use here. And shall, it also tells in the tense form, future form. And I shall, we shall, that it gives the future meaning that it is. In another sense, what we use it, obligation, offer, order, suggestion, purpose we use there. And the past form of shall, should. This should, it is also used, what purpose we use it, obligation and advice. Purpose we use, should is used. Now can, it is used, ability purpose, possibility, and permission purpose, this is used. Can is used. Its past form is could. Can past form, what is it? Could. So could is used in requesting manner, suggestion manner, permission manner, possibility, and ability purpose it is used. Next model is will. Will is used to show the meaning of the future for some subjects, and that subjects belong to the second person and third person. For all these persons, we use will in the sentence structure with the verb agreement. Then it gives the meaning of the future. And do you understand? Will gives the meaning of the future. And here given to you certainty, intention, futurity, and purpose. In that sense we use it. And next would. Would is used offering, preference, past habit, future of the past. In this sense we use that would. Next one is may. May is used in permission, possibility, and wishing. Wishing purpose we use there. Next might. Possibility sense. In possibility sense we use this might. Must is used compulsion and inference. Compulsory meaning which gives that must is used here. These are the models here. So these models that is clearly explained to you in your textbook. I am coming to explain that also. Second one, after the models written, some information is given to you. You can see there some information given to you like this here. I am reading them. You see second one, first one also. Models take any subject before them. There is no subject verb agreement problem. Second one, no two models co-occur in a sentence. Children, you see that no two models in a single sentence, shall, should, shall, can, or anything, any two won't come at all in a sentence. Do you understand this? no two models co-occur in a sentence. And the film will be released next week. That it is that like it will be there. And third one, the main verb will always be the V1 form after the models. This is very important thing you have to know. After these models, main verb what will become here? Verb 1 only comes here. Verb 2, verb 3, past participle, that won't come. Any model you take that, after this, which one come here? This verb 1 only comes here. Okay, now present form only comes here. He cannot move the big stone. Cannot move. V1 is given. Fourth point, you see, past form of some models stands for politeness. Some models, their past form, that gives the meaning of a politeness. You see that? Would you like to have some tea? Would you? Will past form is would. Will past form is would is using for the offering purpose. Offer purpose. So that it is a polite form. Could you lend me your book? Could you lend me? Can past form is could. So for the polite meaning, polite purpose, we use this past form of the model. Okay, this is very important. And the next one thing given to you, I'm going to read it out down given there. After this, read the following sentences and identify the functions performed by the models. So what the models performed here, you have to understand. See carefully there. He can sing for 8 hours at a stretch. He can sing. Number one given to you. A given to you. He can sing. So can sing. What is that here? Send identify the function performed given to you. You have to take the notebook and write it down. I'm reading these things. You have to write that as these models and function given, which one it functions. Understand that? You see that? B, you could take an umbrella. It is raining outside. Could what gives? What functions here? As per the table, you have to tell me that. As per the table, you have to see that. So you see that one sentence is given to you. He can sing for 8 hours at a stretch. B sentence given to you. You could take an umbrella. It's raining outside. This is one sentence given to you. Underline that word. C, we should complete the shooting by tomorrow evening. Should complete. What it functions here? Should complete. Next D, shall I wait till you come? Shall. What it gives the meaning. You observe them. What are written here? Easily you can write down. Next, E. The time was up, but the makeup person would not turn up. See that here. The time was up, but the makeup person would not. You underline it and what it functions here. How it functions here. See next one. F. The car has not arrived yet. It must have got a flat tire. Must have got. Must. What does it mean? And next one. G. There may be heavy rains tomorrow, so why couldn't we go for indoor shooting? Couldn't. You do underline and what it functions. You guess it there. Will you join us for tea? Will is used here. What it functions here. Will. And I sentence. The agreement between the two parties shall be in force for 2 years. So here what is it? Two parties shall be. Shall is used here. So what does it function? Next, last one is say, it might be an idea to postpone the release of the film. Might, what it functions here. Observe these things and write that function of that models. Now you see that that first one which is given, some conversation. I'm going to read it, this conversation, grammar part which is given them. By reading this, you can understand how the models are used here. Okay, now, let me see that. I'm going to read out, come back to that page. Following is a conversation between two artists. You see, Shankar he says that what he said to Shwanti. Yesterday, the ABC movies called me up seeking my opinion. And Shwanti says, what is that? Shankar says, they have a role for a heroine in their film that is going to set very soon. They wanted to offer that role to you. Will you accept it? Will is used here. And how it is used here, that meaning. Shanti says, did they really mean it? I have two doubts about it. First, can I do it? Can is used here model. And the second, should I do it? Second one, what it gives that model. You see that. Shankar says, yes, you can certainly do it. Regarding your second doubt, I think it is not that you should do it. You must do it. So sentence changed here, comma is used here. I think it is not that you should do it. Comma kept there. You must do it. As we have told, In a single sentence, no two models co-occur. But here, comma is used, the sentence is separated. That is why two times two different models came here. Next, you see that Shanti. Why? Shankar. We may like some roles and others we may not, but we accept them for the sake of our career. Shanti says, that like she made sound. Shankar, certain roles we should accept for the sake of satisfaction. That is why I said you must do it. I said you must do it. Must is used here. Shanti, then I take your word as final to me. I shall do it. Shall is given to you. Tell me ABC movies that I have accepted the offer. Next, you see that the words given in a bold letters in the above conversation perform different functions. They are called modals, auxiliaries, or models. Modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries are models. Their functions are given as I have written here. So these are the models, children. Once again, you read them and clearly understand them. While reading the lesson also, these models will come there. See them carefully and understand the meaning of the sentences. Okay, na? And next class, let me see in the next.